Hello, and welcome to our Veterans Day Assembly. Today, I'm going to speak to you a little bit about how and why we celebrate this holiday. I will be followed by the first graders who are going to honor our very special veterans. Veterans Day grew out of Armistice Day. Armistice Day was originally observed every November 11th, celebrating the end of World War I. The armistice between the Allies and Germany that ended World War I was signed at 11 a.m. on the 11th day of the 11th month of 1918. The first official Armistice Day was held on the grounds of Buckingham Palace on the morning of November 11, 1919. Most Allied nations changed the name of the holiday after World War II to honor all veterans of foreign wars. In 1954, President Dwight D. Eisenhower signed a bill proclaiming November 11th as Veterans Day and called upon Americans everywhere to rededicate themselves to the cause of peace. That original Veterans Day decree did not have an apostrophe in Veterans Day. We honor veterans on November 11th from the 5 branches of service: the Army, the Navy, the Air Force, the Marines, and the Coast Guard. The Veterans Day National Ceremony is held each year on November 11th at Arlington National Cemetery. The President, or his representative, places a wreath at the tomb, and the bugler sounds taps. Many people confuse Memorial Day and Veterans Day. Both holidays were founded to recognize and honor the men and women who served in the United States Armed Forces. However, Memorial Day, which is observed on the last Monday in May, was originally set aside as a day for remembering and honoring military personnel who died in the service of their country. Those who died are also remembered on Veterans Day, but Veterans Day is intended to thank and honor all those who serve or have served honorably in the military, either in war or peace. Veterans Day is chiefly intended to thank living veterans for their service and to recognize that their contributions to our national security are appreciated. Many cities honor veterans with parades and ceremonies. Memorials have been built in city parks. When you see a person in uniform, you can certainly thank them for their service. Personally, that's a good way to honor veterans. Also, you can display the flag. On Memorial Day, it should fly half-staff until noon. On Veterans Day, it flies at full staff all day long. So today, we honor all those who serve or have served. And we have some very special examples. Mrs. Dixon and the first grade class.
Good morning. Welcome to the first grade Veterans Day Assembly. We're so glad that you're here. The first graders would like to honor their family veterans, fathers, mothers, uncles, grandfathers, and great-grandfathers, and even a special teacher. These veterans have given over 70 years of service to the United States of America. Thank you for your service.
This is my mother, Mary Floyd Earhart. She served in the U.S. Army for 6 years. Thank you, Mommy. This is my grandfather, Michael Albert Floyd. He served in the U.S. Army for 6 years. Thank you, Grandpa. This is my grandfather, Ken Jameson. He served in the U.S. Army for 2 years. Thank you, Pat Pat. This is my grandfather, John R. Jennings. He served in the U.S. Army for 24 years. Thank you, Grandpa. This is my Uncle John M. Jennings. He served in the U.S. Army for 4 years. Thank you, Uncle John. This is my Uncle Clay Jennings. He served in the U.S. Army for 4 years. Thank you, Uncle Clay. This is my father, Gary Schwarzenberger. He served in the U.S. Marines for 10 years. Thank you, Dad. This is my grandfather, Mark Herndon. He served in the U.S. Navy for 5 years. Thank you, Pop. This is my great-grandfather, John Morris. He served in the U.S. Army for 2 years. Thank you, Dee Dee. This is my grandfather, William Bill Floyd. He served in the U.S. Air Force for 4 years. Thank you, Grandpa. This is our teacher, Mr. Giles. He served in the U.S. Army for 3.5 years. Thank you, Mr. Giles. Thank you. 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 Thank you.